Hello, welcome back. This is the post-launch assessment. I think the launch went spectacularly, don't you, Isaac?
Mm-hmm.
What would you give it, sweetheart?
I'm not Isaac. I'm the result judges who look exactly like Isaac. And the results are 5.
For what?
5.0. 10.0 and 7.0.
Well, how did the launch look to you, Isaac? Was it okay? Did you like it?
I'm not Isaac, I'm the judge.
Judge, how does the launch look to you, Judge?
I couldn't see it because Isaac was in the way.
Oh, could you stand up for a second? Could you turn around? Yep, that's pretty much how the launch looked to us, too.